stock watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Tuesday, April 24th, we're bringing you news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. So in our headline news, stocks closed modestly lower Monday as a market ripe for a pullback lacked the overwhelming evidence necessary to extend recent market gains. With the Dow closing at record highs over the previous 3 sessions and garnering its entire 4% year-to-date advance over the last 3 weeks, it wasn't surprising to see investors taking some money off of the table. The Dow came within 16 points of hitting the 13,000 milestone earlier in the day, getting a lift from analyst upgrades on IBM and Caterpillar, 2 of the price-weighted index's most expensive names. However, valuation concerns prompting analyst downgrades on ExxonMobil and Pfizer, coupled with an afternoon sell-off in fellow Dow component General Motors, pushed the Dow into the red for good. As if valuations weren't already posing a concern, oil prices surging 2.6% and flirting with $66 a barrel acted as an additional headwind for the bulls. Crude for June delivery closed at $65.70 a barrel amid potential supply disruptions from Nigeria following its presidential elections over the weekend. Other news getting overshadowed Monday was another wave of mergers and acquisitions. Barclays plc finally unveiled a proposal to acquire ABN AMRO for $91 billion, while AstraZeneca plc said it will buy MedImmune for $15.6 billion. While both deals offered some reassurance that companies remain confident about the business climate, the fact that Friday's rally was fueled in part by anticipation Monday would bring another round of supportive M&A activity, and that both deals had been rumored for weeks resulted in a muted response from investors. The absence of leadership from financials and technology, which only trailed telecom as today's worst performing sectors, were among the biggest reasons behind the market taking a bit of a breather. Better than expected earnings from both sectors last week were among the catalysts for the market's outperformance. Utilities was the only sector that finished in positive territory, but a 0.7% advance on one of the S&P 500's least influential sectors, and an area defensive in nature no less, merely underscored the hesitation on the part of buyers Monday. And now for our small cap news brought to you today by My Automated Advisor. As a pioneer in the automated advisory services industry, My Automated Advisor has launched a groundbreaking advisory platform, finally giving clients the best of both worlds: integrated access to trade alerts with properly licensed investment advisor representatives. Maserati Luxury Alloy Wheels Incorporated announced last month that it was assigned the stock symbol MZTI and would begin trading on the over-the-counter pink sheets. The company further announced its strategic plan to enter into the $6.7 billion rent-to-own vehicle wheel industry with corporate-owned RTO stores. The RTO model will allow the company to serve a larger market base by providing the option to pay wheels. And now you can get those rims for no excuse. Maserati Luxury, previously at $1.25 a share, opens today up 4% at $1.30 a share. Renegade Energy Corporation announced this morning that it has confirmed a total valuation for proven oil and gas reserves of between $5 to $8 million for the company's lost Indian field. The company also announced this month estimated reserves for the Southwest Cushing field to be in the $35 to $40 million range. The company is focusing an initial strategy of reworking to existing producing oil wells on the lost Indian acreage for the purpose of significantly escalating production over the next few months. Previously at 45 cents a share, Renegade opens up 28% today at 58 cents a share. And that's it today for our newsmakers. Be sure to stay tuned to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap, and as you know, everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. And also make sure you watch for the Quality Stocks Daily newsletter, which is available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow on the Daily Report.
Transmission coming to you. We've got it.